We need to encourage our students and children to learn how to respect others by respecting themselves. A lot of young people thought maybe saying a few bad words is just fun, is just normal. But when you are respecting yourself, and it's easily that you respect others and vice versa. So when you're general public with the elderly, you may not want to say any unpleasant words, or you want to pay a little bit more attention what you are expressing to the elderly. In the same time, when you are understand the importance of it, you are a very generous person because you care. You care about the other people's feeling. When you care about the other people's feeling, you are a very generous person. That is the power of the generosity that I am talking about, ladies and gentlemen. When you are in pain, when a nurse comes in and asks you, how are you doing? When you are laying in bed just after you had a surgery, and if you smile to the nurse and say, oh, thank you, even though I'm in pain, but I want to thank for your kindness and thank you for asking me. You know what? That little gesture, that little expression of thankfulness can go a long way, especially to teachers, nurses, firemen, policemen. They have a very stressful job. You know, nurses, doctor, they worry about our well-being. It's a 24-hour job sometimes because when they go home, a lot of those stress, they're not able to leave just in the hospital or maybe on the desk. They remember their patients, their suffering, their pain. They may not tell you that, but I know many of those nurses, doctors, teachers, that they care about their students. They do their homework. They do their grading at home. In the meantime, they thought about their children during the weekend, the students off class. There's a lot of caring in our society. We need to continue that tradition. We need to continue to encourage our younger generation by caring. You are a very generous person. And we all can do that, especially smiling. Does not cost us any money. Am I correct? Because when you look at the mirror, you smile to the mirror, it comes back to you. You smile to some other people, it also comes back to you. Sometimes in tenfolds, sometimes in 100-folds. And that is the kind of thing that I want to talk about. Be kind and be generous. The power of generosity. I heard a story, and I probably think that some of you have heard that also. Is that two people walking along the beach right after a major thunderstorm. Many starfish were washed and laying on the seashore, certain to die. The older man picked up one fish and threw it back to the ocean. The younger man asked him, "Sir, what were you doing?" The elder gentleman said, "I'm going to save the fish." Then he picked up another one and threw it back to the ocean again. The young man was a little surprised. He said, "Sir, there's millions of fish right here. How can you make a difference?" The elder gentleman picked up another fish, and I was throwing it back to the ocean, and he said, "Son, I make a difference in that one." Ladies and gentlemen, the lesson that we learn is that regardless how small of your smile, the small action, but every little thing counts. Every little thing counts. So starting tonight, doing some exercise, neck, hands, and raising your knee, and get well with your sleep apnea. And also starting tomorrow, try to share your beautiful smile, your generosity, your caring with some family and friends, or even some strangers, you'll find easy, very easy, that we can help ourselves by helping other people.